Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Now let's talk about the products. Number 1. Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Protectant Cream Eczema Relief. Yes, but sadly they did change just the packaging. The ingredients are the same, but there is a new packaging out there. They probably changed it around, like, I would say 2 to 3 months ago. All it says, well, besides the whole new look, the only difference is it says Gold Bond Medicated Skin Protectant Cream Eczema Relief. No longer does it say Ultimate, it says Medicated now. Size of this one is 8 ounce. That's their regular size. Then they have the big size, 14 ounce, and a travel size, 3 ounce. Now the travel size says something a little different. It's hand cream. But if you feel like there is somewhere else that it needs the cream, go ahead and place it there. Can be found at Amazon, Target, CVS, that's where I usually get mine, Walgreens, Walmart, Instacart, and depending on your area, in Albertsons. I don't have Albertsons anymore, but it's telling me it could be found at Albertsons. Oh, also, on their website, you put in your zip code, and usually it looks at your location and tells you which stores it's carried in by location. So everything I just said may differ from you, depending on the location. Yes. The beautiful 8 ounce one usually starts off to be around $11. Depending on the store, can go up to $14. The 14 ounce one starts at $16, but can be sold at $21. And then the hand cream one, that starts off not much, $4, pretty good deal. Does go up to probably around $7. Expiration date is printed on the back. It's very, very specific. Like, it will have a month and a year. So mine is expired, which is why I got this one right here. This is a new one for me. Never tried it. I always stick with Gold Bond no matter what, and this time I felt like I needed something different, so I got this one.
Wow.
This is fragrance free, dye free, steroid free, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. Also, there's a little sticker right here. Bing bing bing. See that guy? It says accepted, National Eczema Association. It's been approved, basically. Yay! This is a lotion formulated specifically for eczema-prone skin. It is great for getting relief from 5 symptoms of eczema. Number 1, itchiness. Number 2, dryness. Number 3, scaling and peeling. Yikes. Okay. Number 4, roughness. And number 5, redness and irritation. Ouch. I bought this one for my dryness, and sometimes I get a little itchy, and it really, really helps relieve it. Mainly on my legs, which is interesting. So, there's 2% colloidal oatmeal in this, which helps temporarily protect and relieves minor itchiness and irritation.
In the skin, of course.
Now, as fragrance goes, it does say no fragrance. It's probably, fragrance free. But I could swear I smell oatmeal. I think if you guys know what oatmeal smells like. Yeah. When I put it on, I feel like it does smell a little bit like oatmeal. Could just be me, but that's what I smell. And then there's 7 nourishing moisturizers right here. One of them being aloe vera. Ah, yes. And, of course, can't forget the 3 vitamins, such as vitamin E. Other ingredients are jojoba esters and shea butter extracts. Also, oat kernel extract and ginger root extract. That's pretty good.
Or this big thing right here is pretty good.
Now, for the clinical study results. Yes, there was a clinical study. 8 out of 10 eczema sufferers saw and felt improvement in their skin after 2 weeks. In 4 weeks, 9 out of 10 got relief from irritation and redness. Okay, so this is just like regular lotion. Nothing really too special, except if you don't need it, don't use it. If you do need it, use it. I don't need it at the moment, but I'm just demonstrating it for you. I'm going to put it in my elbows right here, and that's pretty much it. I usually use it like as soon as I feel itchiness, and as mentioned, on my legs. It's always my legs, I don't know why, but I feel itchiness on my legs, mostly around, can't really show you guys because it's on the bottom, but mostly towards the, I would say close to my ankles. It would just get really dry and itchy there. So I grab this lotion, boom, 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 put it on, and probably in like a half an hour, the itchiness goes away. And I never understood it when I was younger. Like, what do I need? What do I need? Girl, you need more lotion. And this really helps. This really, really helps. Yeah, definitely when I was younger, I didn't understand the importance of lotions. So I would be like scratching my legs until I go to sleep. Next morning it would be gone, but if I only knew. How did I come across this? My dad usually used a normal Gold Bond, and one day I was like, I need to stop this itchiness when it comes around. So I just happened to go into a store, took a chance on this, saw that it stops all these from happening, and I tried it out. It's a good find, I would say. I think it really helps. If you have the problem, go ahead, try it out, recommend it, and yeah, that's it. We're moving on to the next one. Next one, First Aid Beauty, also known as Fab Ultra Repair Cream.
Yes.
Intense hydration.
Now, sizes that they have, this one of course is the 2 ounce, then they have a 6 ounce, 8 ounce, and then 14 ounce. That's a lot actually. Can be purchased at firstaidbeauty.com, like their actual website. You can purchase it from there. Then Sephora, possibly even Kohl's, since they're connected, and then Ulta Beauty and Target, since they're connected. So you'll probably find it there. I also want to mention that when I talk about Target and Ulta Beauty, I don't mean the Target aisles, like the regular beauty aisle. You actually have to go into, they have like a little setup, Ulta Beauty setup. It's like a store within a store, and you'll probably find it there. So you're technically kind of buying it from Ulta Beauty, but in a Target, if that makes sense. It's very interesting. Even Sephora. It's a Kohl's on the outside, but on the inside, a box within a box, there's a Sephora. It has its own little tiny store in there. Gets a little confusing with their rewards sometimes because it's connected in a way. My mom, she signed up. She already has a Kohl's card, and then she signed up with the Sephora card within the Kohl's. Complicated but interesting. And then, of course, you can find it on Amazon and department stores like Nordstrom's and Bloomingdale's. I believe I used to see this at Nordstrom's before, but I hardly go in there now. It's a thing of a past for me.
Are you sure about that?
So this 2 ounce one is around $18. Pretty good. But after that, the 6 ounce one jumps up to $38. Ooh, Then the 8-ounce one is $48, and the 14-ounce one is $70. Wow.
70's a lot.
If it works, right? Expiration date is printed on the back. Again, very, very specific. So I'm sure the colloidal oatmeal somewhat stops working at some point. So they have to be very specific. This one says July 2024. So I have a while for it. I just got it in Christmas time. I bought like a sample kit. Yeah, I believe this was it was like more like a travel kit, because these are travel sizes, not samples. So I bought a travel kit, 3 items. He needed a cleanser, so I gave the cleanser to him. Yeah, and I made it. Sorry, I'm laughing because I made it as a Christmas gift to him. But 2 of the items were for me, and 1 item was for him. But yeah, he was a little confused, but he did need a face cleanser. So I gave the face cleanser to him, and then I got this one for myself. I was going to give this one to him, but I don't think he has dryness and itchiness and all that. So I was like, I'll use it. And the third one was a body scrub. I was thinking of using it for like after I shave, and then I could use it on top. What was it called? KB Bump something. Yeah. KB Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Yes, that's it. I was thinking of trying it like that, but if it doesn't work out for me, my boyfriend, I should probably just give it back to him, because he actually does have like a lot of bumps on the arms. So it might be more beneficial for him. I'll think about it. Yeah, I'll probably just give it back to him. Well, then he gets 2 out of the 3. Okay, it's a good gift. It is cruelty-free, vegan, free of nuts and soy, and free of artificial fragrance. And last, gluten-free. Now, of course, I can't forget it's clean beauty. Also, I mentioned something about, I almost forgot about this one. Nano-free. Good to know. This is a fast-absorbing, rich hydrating lotion. It provides instant and long-lasting relief. Great for dry, irritated skin like eczema. And yes, this is for your face and body. Of course, can be used on sensitive skin. It is, of course, for all skin types, mainly the eczema one. Leave skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and comfortable after just one use. You best believe it. The difference from the other one, the percentage. This one has only 0.50% colloidal oatmeal. The other was 2%. And of course, shea butter to help protect and hydrate the skin barrier. Then vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. It also has allantoin to calm and soothe skin. Now, a very cool thing on their website when you take a look at their ingredients is that you can click on each and every ingredient and it will tell you, like give you a little definition of what that ingredient does. It's very interesting. You could probably like just kind of bookmark that website, and if you have similar products that have the same ingredient and you're like, I want to know what that is, you could go back to fab.com and click on the meaning. It's pretty neat. I think there's other websites that do that too as well. EWG. It's like an ingredient list for your products and tells you each definition. There's other websites that do it, but I just thought this was pretty cool seeing it here. Now, they did have an independent clinical study. Very interesting one, in fact. It said that 100%, which means everyone saw lasting improvement in skin's dryness. Then 100% said that this product helps soothe, moisturize, and condition the skin. Everyone said that, apparently. Now, it does have an asterisk. It says that 169% saw immediate improvement in skin's hydration. 169%. That's a lot. I don't know. Interesting. Very interesting. We're moving on to the demo. Okay. So we're going to use this elbow right here. Again, anywhere as needed. And packaging is recyclable. They even put a little like diagram and everything of how to recycle. Very interesting. Of course, be careful with this. Try to not get it in your eyes if you are going to use it in your face. Put it right here. Very nice. Feels good. The oatmeal smell in this is actually way more lighter than the Gold Bond one. Very, very faint. And that's it. Now we're moving on. Okay, now for the results. Move this over here. So we usually do TikTok, but sadly, first time ever, well, I guess it's happened before, but it's been a while. Nobody voted on my TikTok, but that's why I do YouTube still. We got a few votes on YouTube. Woohoo! So, here we go. We'll go straight to YouTube. Alright, here we go. And the winner is... Boom! 50-50! Woo! They both won anyways. Should have known. I mean, they're basically almost the same thing. Of course, their ingredients are different. Quite a few different things, actually. But for me, I'll let you guys know, my heart always goes to Gold Bond. It's like a commercial. Gold Bond. Anyways, I do have to say, kind of have to switch it up though. Even though I've been using this for a while, I believe, and it usually happens especially when you like wash your face with skincare, you gotta change it up, change different products, because then your skin starts getting used to it, and then it seems like it's not working anymore. So you gotta change it up. And then you could probably, after I finish this one, go back to this one. I was reading reviews on the new one because I wasn't sure if they changed their ingredient or not. It definitely says it's the same ingredients. I did read a review that's saying the new one doesn't work as well as the old one, and then they mentioned that they probably changed some of the ingredients, but from what I'm seeing, the ingredients are the same. So, as mentioned, it's a possibility that their skin just got used to using this, so it seemed like it wasn't working anymore. So you gotta switch it up. Also, if you go past its expiration date, the ingredients are not as strong, so that's another reason why it might not seem like it's working anymore. So there it is. That's it. That's oatmeal inside lotion. Colloidal oatmeal.
Of course.
Alright. That's my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again for all of you watching. And just a reminder, if you'd like to leave a comment of which one was your favorite, either the First Aid or the Gold Bond, you will get featured in next week's video. We do not have a feature this week from last week's video. If you want to, though, go ahead, go back. And yeah, if you leave a comment about which one's your favorite, I could feature you right here, right down here. And also remember to like, subscribe, once again, comment. It will help out me and, of course, this video very, very, very long way. It'll take it a long way. Yes. So, see you guys all next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Yeah, bye.